In this video, I will show you how to charge WooCommerce extra fee based on country. So let's get started. First click here, add the page title, country based fees. Here is a two option, percentage or fixed. We will go with the fixed charges 21. Then after we need to add the condition, like over here we will select the country, and here we select the country like United States. So this will apply the charges for only this United States, and then after save the settings. Now let's add the product to the cart. View cart. So now you can see we have selected the United States country. That's why it's apply the charges over here, country based 21. Let's proceed to checkout. You can see in the checkout page it's also apply the country based charges over here and place an order. So after place an order, you can see it's apply the charges in order as well, like as you can see over here. Thank you.